Listen with the ears of tolerance. See through the eyes of compassion and speak with the language of love. The wound is the place where the light enters you. Goodbyes are only for those who love with their eyes. Because for those who love with their heart and soul, there is no such thing as separation. Silence is the language of God. All else is poor translation. Reason is powerless in the expression of love. When you do things from your soul, you feel a river of joy moving in you. The cure for pain is in the pain. I want to sing like the birds sing, not worrying about who hears or what they think. What you seek is seeking you. Don't grieve. Anything you lose comes round in another form. Yesterday I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I am changing myself. Raise your words, not voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. Lovers don't finally meet somewhere. They are in each other all along. You were born with wings. Why prefer to crawl through life? A mountain keeps an echo deep inside. That's how I hold your voice. Try something different. Surrender. Forget safety. Live where you fear to live. Destroy your reputation. Be notorious. These pains you feel are messengers. Listen to them. Be like the sun for grace and mercy. Be like the night to cover others' fault. Be like running water for generosity. Be like death for rage and anger. Be like the earth for modesty. Appear as you are. Be as you appear. Set your life on fire. Seek those who fan your flames. Whoever travels without a guide needs 200 years for a 2-day journey. start a huge, foolish project like Nuh. It makes absolutely no difference what people think of you.